Welcome to ASIM Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will learn about basic arithmetic on pandas.Series. Import pandas library. Create two pandas.Series. We will create two series with some sample values. Perform basic arithmetic operations on series. Addition. Adds corresponding elements of both series. Subtraction. Subtracts corresponding elements of series 2 from series 1. Multiplication. Multiplies corresponding elements of both series. Division. Divides corresponding elements of series 1 by series 2, element-wise. Avoid division by 0, though in this case, there are no zeros in series 2. Print the results of the arithmetic operations. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to ASIM Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.